Want to extend the life of your tires while saving some cash? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily rotate your tires. At the end of the video, I'll let you know how you can grab my free tire rotation guide. First up, locate your owner's manual. Inside of your owner's manual, you'll be looking for 4 important pieces of information: the manufacturer's recommended tire rotation pattern, wheel lug or wheel bolt tightening torque specifications, lug tightening pattern, and recommended jack locations. Locate your spare tire. These are usually located in the trunk area or under the cargo area of your vehicle. Remove your spare tire from the cargo area. Make sure to reference your tire rotation pattern before you begin removing any tires. Knowing that this is a 4-wheel drive vehicle, I will now demonstrate how to do the rearward cross pattern. Start by removing the driver's front tire. You're going to replace this tire with the spare tire. As a side note, I'm only lightly tightening the lugs on this tire as I'll be removing it in later steps. Next, remove the passenger rear tire. Replace this with the driver's front tire. Remove the passenger front tire. Replace this with the passenger rear tire. Make sure to use the lug tightening pattern even when loosely tightening your lugs. Remove the driver's side rear tire. Replace this with the passenger front tire. And lastly, remove the spare tire that you first put on the driver front location. Place this with the driver's side rear tire. Now we can lower the vehicle and put the spare tire away along with all of the other equipment. And there is one final step. You need to tighten your lugs to spec. To do this, set your torque wrench to the torque setting found in your owner's manual. In this case, it's 100 foot-pounds. Using the appropriate wheel lug tightening sequence, torque your lugs to spec. Below you'll find a link to my free tire rotation guide. And don't forget to subscribe. Also good practice to retorque your lugs after 100 miles of normal driving.